அரசு பள்ளி மாணவர்களுக்கு மருத்துவக் கல்லூரிகளில் 7.5% இடஒதுக்கீட கொண்டு வந்ததுக்கு முழுக்க முழுக்க என்னுடைய ராஜதந்திரமே காரணம். நான் தான் ஆளுநருக்கு அழுத்தம் குடுத்து இத கொண்டு வந்தேன். இதற்காக திமுக களத்துல என்ன செஞ்சிருக்குது? இதற்கு ஏதாவது ப்ரூஃப் உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கா? அப்படின்னு எடப்பாடி கேட்டாரு. இதோ ப்ரூஃப், தயவு செஞ்சு பாருங்க. 7.5% இடஒதுக்கீடு குடுக்கணும். அதற்கு ஆளுநர் கையெழுத்து போடணும் அப்படின்னு போராட்டம் பண்ணது திமுகவும், கூட்டணி கட்சிகளும். அந்த அழுத்தம் தாங்க முடியாம தான் எலக்ஷன்ல எங்க எதிர்மறையான விளைவு வந்துருமோன்னு பயந்து தான் ஆளுநர் கையெழுத்து போட்டாரு. இல்லன்னா அந்த 7.5% வந்திருக்காது அப்படிங்கிறது தான் உண்மை. ஆதாரம் கேட்ட எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமிக்கு இப்ப ஆதாரத்த குடுத்துட்டோம். இப்ப எங்க சார் மூஞ்சிய கொண்டு போய் வச்சுப்பீங்க?
DMK is currently protesting against the governor and AIADMK. MK Stalin, thousands of people have gathered at this location, which is at Chinnamalai, and it is expected nearly 4,000 people have gathered in and around this area at this moment. The issue is that in Tamil Nadu, NEET examination has always been a political issue since 2017 after it was made mandatory, and what has occurred is that even after several years of trying, AIADMK was unable to actually get exemption. So back in September 15th in 2020, in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, a bill was passed by which 7.5% reservation will be provided to students who have studied in the government schools between 6th and 12th standard. So by the calculation, it looks like in the state of Tamil Nadu, if the bill was cleared, nearly 320 students will benefit, and this was done after a retired judge commission had provided a recommendation that 10% of state seats can be reserved in such manner. However, the state government gave a 7.5% reservation, which was also unanimously passed in the assembly. But the problem here seems to be that the governor of the state, Banwarilal Purohit, has still not provided assent to the bill, even though it was cleared. It was passed in 15th of September unanimously in the assembly. So keeping this in mind, DMK earlier stated that it is ready to join hands with the arch nemesis AIADMK to fight again, for the bill and for a common cause. However, AIADMK refused it, and currently DMK claims that governor is he's doing it deliberately, trying to delay the bill after the governor wrote a letter to MK Stalin, who you can see at the podium, claiming that he needs 3 to 4 weeks more, which means already NEET exams has been the students have wrote it, and results are out, which means it would be delayed for another month, and that's the reason DMK is currently protesting